Hey everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp photos on all devices, whether you're using iPhone, Android, or even accessing WhatsApp web. Method 1, Saving photos on iPhone. On iPhone, open WhatsApp, go to the chat with the photo you want. Tap it, then hit the share icon in the bottom left corner and choose Save. The image will appear in your Photos app. If you want WhatsApp to automatically save every photo, go to Settings, Tape Chats and turn on Save to Camera Roll. Method 2, Saving photos on Android. On Android, it's just as easy. Open the photo in WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the corner and select Save. The picture will then be stored in your phone's gallery. You can also enable media visibility in WhatsApp settings so photos are saved automatically. Method 3, Saving photos on WhatsApp web. If you're on your computer, open WhatsApp web, click on the photo. Then tap the download icon at the top right. The photo will save directly to your Downloads folder. Method 4, Saving photos via MagFone chats transfer. Above are the basic ways to save WhatsApp photos on your devices. But if you want to back up all your WhatsApp photos and chats together, or transfer them safely between iPhones, or even to your computer, that's where MagFone chats transfer comes in. Run MagFone chats transfer on your computer, select WhatsApp, connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. After your device is detected by the program, unlock it and trust the computer if prompted. From the sidebar, click the Backup button, click the Start Backup button, and enter the backup password to continue. MagFone will begin backing up all your WhatsApp chats, images, and other data. Once the backup is complete, you can view the backup files directly in the program, and you can restore the backups when you need. Here included chats, images, and other data. It's the easiest way to make sure your photos are never lost, even if you switch phones or run out of space.